Ever wonder why cybersecurity should be a top priority for small businesses? Well, imagine this. One fine morning, you walk into your office only to find that all your data has been compromised. Your customer information, trade secrets, everything gone just like that. It's a nightmare, isn't it? But the good news is you can prevent this, and today we'll show you how. Picture a list of 5 essential cybersecurity tips every small business owner must know. At the top of this list, start with strong passwords. Seems pretty basic, right? But you'd be surprised how often this simple step gets overlooked. Passwords are your first line of defense. Make sure they're complex, unique, and hard to guess. Include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. And remember, no password on 23 or admin, please. That's like leaving your front door open with a sign saying, "Burglars welcome." Next up, enable multi-factor authentication, or MFA for short. MFA provides an additional layer of security by requiring more than just a password to access your accounts. This could be a fingerprint, a unique code sent to your phone, or even a physical key. So even if your password gets compromised, your data stays secure. Third on our list, educate your team. Cybersecurity isn't a one-man job. Everyone in your organization should understand the risks and know how to spot potential threats. This could be anything from a suspicious email to a strange pop-up. Remember, an informed team is a secure team. Fourth, secure your devices and network. This includes everything from your smartphones to your Wi-Fi network. Regularly update your software and hardware, use firewalls, and consider using a virtual private network or VPN for added security. Think of it as putting a sturdy lock on every door and window in your house. Lastly, have regular backups and a solid incident response plan. In case of a breach, having a recent backup can minimize data loss. And a well thought out response plan can help you recover quickly, minimizing downtime and potential damage to your reputation. So there you have it. 5 essential cybersecurity tips for small businesses: strong passwords, multi-factor authentication, team education, device and network security, and regular backups with an incident response plan. Each one crucial in its own right, but together they form a formidable defense against cyber threats. Remember, in today's digital world, cybersecurity isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. And as a small business owner, it's your responsibility to protect your data, your business, and your customers. So take these tips to heart, implement them, and give your business the protection it deserves, because a secure business is a successful business.